Hello friends on YouTube. I hope you're all doing great. I have started my third Kickstarter campaign about my MagScroll and it is rather doing well so far. I want to thank you, each and one of you who pledged for it, and I can't wait till it's finished and hopefully with many more pledges so I can get onto it, build them for you and send them out, and everybody can really understand what I'm talking about, because when you just see this you might not really realize how useful it is, but it is. You will never use your scroll wheel on your mouse again. You will use it in conjunction with your mouse, obviously, and I'm sure people will say, I want another one for my office, I want to tell my friends, and if other people see it, they will want it. I am sure of it. So please still pledge for it, share my link if you can, and tell people to share the link, because I had one dear friend and he shared it with 600 people that he knew, and I don't know, of course, how many of them did pledge for the campaign, as I cannot tell that. But anyway, so far it's doing great, and thank you again, and please keep supporting me with pledging on my campaign. So apart from that, I wanted to show you two very simple, inexpensive items that I got from Aliexpress. The first one is this triangle that you can use for adjusting your saw blade on your saw, or wherever you want to use it. If you want to use it as a Briefbeschwerer, what's that in English? To paperweight, yes. And this one is in metric, as you can see, but they do come in inch as well. Actually, is this inch? No, it's not inch, but it's funnily written, and it's anodized aluminum. It's quite heavy, and so it might not have anything to do with it, but I will find a use for it, I am sure. Even if it's just, for example, just thought of it, I'm doing many work on my bandsaw, on my 2x72-inch belt grinder, and I have a small table in front of it, and I can adjust that to be 90 degrees from the belt, for example. Just a small example. And as you can see, this thing is on a deal right now for $6, shipped free. $6. You cannot beat that. Okay, and the other thing is, I will switch the tab here. This is an L bracket for a camera that you can use for camera, and I will use this on my camera slider to be able to not only mount the camera like this, horizontal, but also vertical, and then do shots with it. And I'm planning on making a video for that, and this will come in use. I will show you again there. So this one costs $6.78, and we will see how good it is. It comes in each plastic bag here, ziplock bag, with a bag of screws and Allen keys. I mean, imagine how many Allen keys you have in your lifetime with every piece of item that you buy, and they come with Allen keys. So this is the bottom, which has the arca plate, and this is the top, And I have to admit, this was supposed to be CNC machined, and it is not. And that will get a complaint right now, because it is not CNC machined. Let me scroll down to the pictures. I'm sorry for taking this long, but there were up close pictures which I can't find right now. But you can see there are the dimples here, and those dimples are not on the picture, on the product picture. So it is a lower grade. They do come with twice as expensive, and that's probably it. So I will put a link to it if you don't care if it's CNC machined or not. But I am right now not recommending it because it is not CNC machined, and that's a shame. It is just I guess they make it in a form. But oop, there goes the screw. Let me pause the video because I don't want to waste your time. I will put this together and then I will continue. Or actually I will stop the video and then I will start a new one. So I'm back. All I did was put the two screws on the bottom in here and tighten it down, and now I have the L bracket. But I am disappointed, of course, because it says right there CNC machining, and it's definitely not CNC machined. It's it comes from how do you say it now? Oh man, the aluminum is poured into a form and then it comes out of it, and then it's painted. And I can see here it's not even 90 degrees. So see how useful something is that you didn't know you're gonna need, but it's not even 90 degrees. And you can see here there are holes with threads, and you can see the light shining through here, through the edge. So they are very close to the edge. And so this is, I'm gonna complain about it. I would not have cared much if it would be really 90 degrees, but it's not, and that is a deal breaker. I'm not even sure about the arc amount. I have this 3D printed one that I did 3D print. Well, you will figure. And well, that's holding, so it's the right size at least. And I will take a picture and put it at the end of the video where you can see this with the camera mounted on my camera slider. But this is a no-go. I will put the link in there just for reference, or yeah, for reference where not to buy it. And I will also find a link and put in there that will be a little bit more expensive, but they're supposed to be really CNC machined, which this is clearly not. So sorry about that. I'm just actually wondering one thing. If this, since I have 3D printed grips on my camera, so it's wider. Let me see, I would probably, yeah, I have the hole here. Three quarters different hole. Sorry. Well, it will work the way I intended. I just have to but the 90-degree off, that's really bad. Now I have to raise one side of my camera slider to fix that, otherwise the that's so bad. Oh my god. Well, maybe I can scrape off the paint and yes, that's what I will do. I will use this on my belt grinder, put the table exactly 90 degrees. This does stand though. Yeah, it stands without problem. Anyway, put this on my belt grinder, adjust the table to exactly 90 degrees, grind off the bottom of that L profile or that one piece, and then try again to see if I can fix it to be 90 degrees. So that might be another video or just an addition to this one. But anyways, thank you again to all my backers on my campaign. Please, if you did back it, and I actually did thank everybody, of course, and told them to please share the link. But if you did not back it, please do share the link for anybody you think that might be useful for them. As I said, this is the MagScroll, and this has the volume on the volume code on it. I have also different codes for seeking videos for YouTube and for VLC player and media player, and it just works great. Anyway, thank you again to everybody who pledged and who supports me. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you want to get updates, hit the notification bell. No, click subscribe and hit the notification bell this way. And thank you and take care, everybody.